everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. So I'm going to show you how to achieve that beautiful S beach wave, just tousled hair look with the Dyson Airwrap. I've got the round brush attachment on right now, but I'm going to be showing you how to do it with the Dyson Airwrap, what attachments I used, what direction to go in, how to hold it. This is truly the easiest way that I've done it so far. My hair looks so effortless, especially with my recent haircut. It just holds the curls beautifully, and because I've got these face framing bits, it kind of gives it that glamour look to it. It doesn't look as just kind of like S and beachy. If you guys are interested in seeing how I achieved this look and just the products that I used, honestly my hair looks just so healthy and really soft, and this kind of hairstyle did not take that much effort because again the Dyson did everything for me. I just literally clicked the button and held my hand up for like 5 seconds. If you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe down below. I make new videos every single week. Please come follow me on my Instagram. We're doing 25 days of Giftmas right now, and it's just my little way of saying thank you for everything this last year. I've been through a lot this last year with hitting 1.5 million followers on TikTok, 100K on Instagram, and we're almost at 100K here on my YouTube. And in this way, I just want to continue to give back to you guys as I keep growing, because I really wouldn't be able to do what I do without your guys' support. So please come follow me on my Instagram account so that you guys get a chance to win one of the little prizes that I have this whole month during the first 25 days of Christmas. So without further ado, let's just get started. Alright, so I have damp hair now. It's just all wet. I'm going to go ahead and put in my Gisou honey infused hair oil. I'm just going to do about 2 drops of that. It puts like a nice bit of moisture back into my hair, I feel. I feel like it's really important to put a hair product in your hair before you blow dry. I feel like it does make a difference. I don't know if that's just me, but I don't know. I feel like that. I'm going to do a rough blow dry with this blow dry attachment first. For the waves today, I do want to use the longer irons. What do you call these? Like the longer wand heads, I think. Like these guys. The barrels. That's the word. Yes, barrels. I want to say I've gotten like pretty good at this beach waves thing down now. So I feel really confident to show you guys how to do it. You can use like the bigger guys or just like the ones that it comes with. I just like it. It's just I prefer the longer length. So we did the oil, and then now I'm gonna put in the Odele Air Dry Styler, smooths conditions and gives soft separation for air dry perfection. Let's just brush this hair out really quick. We're gonna clip this attachment on. We're gonna do my hair in 3 sections today. You wanna hold it vertically like this and downwards. Right now the arrows are facing this way because my wrist is up. My hand is up. So you're literally gonna wrap it the way that the arrows are facing. And this is really important. You have to hold it like this to get that beach wave look. So let me just show you guys here what I'm talking about. Make sure your setting is on hot here and then high heat. You're gonna wrap it first, so alright, and when you take it out, it should look like a cute little beach wave. Let me show you the difference when you don't do that. You're gonna end up getting a ringlet style curl like this, and again, if that's your style, then definitely go for it from bottom up. Okay, so this is just one side complete. Let's go ahead and do the other side, and I will be right back. This is the other side complete, and I promise you guys it'll all look good in the end. You gotta trust the process. Woo! Just try your best to keep it all separated. Again, before you start, just give it a nice little brush through so that you don't have any knots. So the only difference when I'm doing this side, and again, I think that this side is a lot more difficult for a lot of people because maybe you're right hand dominant and doing the left side feels really uncomfortable. You can either take the left hand and face it down like this. Just make sure you're holding as vertical as possible. Alright, And that's how it should come out. So I'm now gonna go ahead and finish up this side, and then we will be right back to finish up the top. Okay, so that is all the mid section and bottom section complete. Let me just say, this Dyson has been the best purchase that I've made all year. The top section is really where the biggest difference comes from. And what is this strange curl that's happening over here? I will use the longer barrels for maybe about up to here, and then when it comes to my face framing parts, I obviously don't use like such a tight barrel. Ooh, I love when I pull it out and the curl looks like this. Makes me feel very happy and very satisfied. I'm gonna actually finish up this side, and then I will come back and show you guys the face framing bits. I know we're so close yet so far. We finally finished up all the sections now, aside from my main face framing bits. So before I clip it in, I just like to make sure that the barrels are facing the right way, and this one is, so we're gonna do this side first. These sections here are pretty dry, so I don't take it at the highest heat. Okay, let it go. And we just want it to look a lot more soft and wide. Let it go. For these bangs here, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the round brush and brush them downward like so. Okay. And I know that looks crazy, but it gives a nice little bend to the hair backwards like this. We're just gonna go ahead and set the hair with the Texturizing Sea Salt Spray. Creates long-lasting fullness, tousled texture. This is again by Odele. I'm gonna go ahead and take my wet brush and just like soften and brush it out a little bit. Run your wet brush through the ends and just really soften it up. So this is the final look. I know it looks very voluminous right now, but that's obviously because I just like did it. As the day goes on, it will definitely soften up and it'll look a lot less kind of mushroom head right here. So for me, there's still kind of a learning curve. I've had this now for about a few weeks, and you know, there's like a bend right here that I don't love. I'm still kind of learning the best way that looks for me. Again, there's so many different attachments, so I feel like the Dyson is really versatile. It caters to a lot of different hair types. My hair naturally just doesn't curl that well, but because of the haircut that I have, it's been really holding curls a lot better. Again, because I have these like dimension curtain bang face framing bits. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope this video helped you guys. If you enjoyed it, then please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe down below. I make new videos every week, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!